Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Only English Conversations, where learning English is simple and practical. I am Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Only, and I am happy to be here today.
We are so happy to have you here today too, Mr. Only. Today, we have a very interesting topic to talk about.
That sounds great, Sarah. What is our topic for today?
Today, we are talking about how to make money online, specifically how to make $100 every day online.
Oh, that is a very popular topic. Many people want to know how to make money using the internet.
Yes, they do, but for our listeners, we want to talk about this using simple and clear English.
That is a good idea. We can help people learn English and learn about making money at the same time.
Exactly. So, Mr. Only, is it really possible to make $100 every day online?
Yes, Sarah, it is possible. It is not always easy, but it is possible if you work hard and have a good plan.
That is good to hear. Can you explain some simple ways to start?
Of course, one of the easiest ways for beginners is doing freelance work.
Freelance work? Can you explain what freelance means for our students?
Yes, freelance means you work for yourself. You are not a permanent employee of a company. You do small jobs for different people.
Oh, I see. So you are your own boss.
Exactly. You are your own boss. You can choose when you work and where you work.
That sounds very good. What kind of freelance jobs can people do online?
There are many kinds of jobs. For example, you can do data entry, you can do graphic design, or you can do writing.
Writing? Like writing stories or news articles?
Yes, or writing blog posts for websites. Many websites need new articles every day.
I see. If someone is good at writing, they can make money by writing articles.
Yes, and if they write 3 or 4 articles a day, they can reach $100.
$100 a day? That is a lot of money in some countries.
It really is. Another way to make money is by teaching.
Teaching? You mean like being an online teacher?
Yes, you can teach a language, like English, or you can teach a skill, like math or cooking.
Oh, I like that. I love teaching English.
I know you do, Sarah. Many people pay to talk to a native speaker or a fluent speaker to practice their English.
So if I talk to someone for 1 hour, they pay me?
Yes, usually people pay between $15 and $30 for 1 hour of conversation.
Let me do the math. If I teach for 4 or 5 hours, I can make $100.
That is correct. If you teach for 5 hours at $20 per hour, you make $100.
That sounds like a very honest and good way to make money.
It is. It is very rewarding to help people learn.
What about other ways? Some people talk about selling things online.
Yes, selling products is another great way. You can sell things you make or things you buy.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, some people make jewelry at home. Then they sell it on websites like Etsy or eBay.
Oh, I have heard of Etsy. It is for handmade things, right?
Yes, it is for handmade things. If you are creative, you can make a lot of money there.
But what if I am not creative? What if I cannot make jewelry?
Then you can try dropshipping.
Dropshipping? That is a big word. Can you explain what dropshipping is?
Of course. Dropshipping is when you sell a product, but you do not keep the product in your house.
I do not understand. How can I sell something if I do not have it?
Well, you show the product on your website. When a customer buys it, you buy it from a supplier. Then the supplier sends it directly to the customer.
Oh, I see. I am like a middleman.
Exactly. You are the middleman. You find the customer, and the supplier handles the product.
That sounds like a smart business, but is it hard to start?
It takes some time to learn how to do it correctly. You need to find good products that people want to buy.
That makes sense. You have to know what people like.
Yes, for example, maybe people want to buy phone cases or kitchen tools.
I see. So if I sell 10 phone cases and make $10 on each one, that is $100.
You are very good at math today, Sarah. Yes, that is $100.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I am trying to keep the numbers simple for our listeners.
That is very helpful. Let us repeat that. 10 times 10 is 100.
10 times 10 is 100. It is good to repeat these simple sentences.
Why do you think repetition is important, Sarah?
Because when we repeat sentences, our brain remembers the English words better.
I agree. Let us practice another sentence. I can make money online.
I can make money online.
It is possible to work from home.
It is possible to work from home.
Very good. Now, let us talk about another way. Have you heard of virtual assistants?
Virtual assistants? Is that like a secretary who works online?
Yes, exactly. A virtual assistant helps a business owner with their work.
What kind of work does a virtual assistant do?
They might answer emails, they might schedule meetings, they might manage social media accounts.
Oh, like posting photos on Instagram for a company?
Yes, many busy people do not have time to post on social media. They pay someone else to do it.
That sounds like a fun job for someone who likes social media.
It is very popular now, and the pay is usually quite good.
How much can a virtual assistant make in one day?
It depends on the experience. Some make $15 an hour. Some make $25 an hour.
So if they work for 4 hours at $25, they reach their goal.
Yes, $100 in just 4 hours.
That is amazing. It gives you a lot of free time for your family or your hobbies.
That is the best part of working online. You have freedom.
Freedom is very important. But, Mr. Only, are there any risks?
That is a very good question, Sarah. Yes, there are risks. You must be careful of scams.
Scams? Can you explain what a scam is?
A scam is a trick. It is when someone tries to steal your money or your information.
Oh, that is scary. How can we stay safe?
Never pay money to get a job. If a website asks you for money to start working, it is probably a scam.
I see. So a real job pays you. You do not pay the job.
Exactly. A real job pays you for your time and your work.
That is a very important rule. Do not pay for a job.
Do not pay for a job. Let us repeat that.
Do not pay for a job.
Good. Also, always use famous and trusted websites.
Like the ones you mentioned, like Etsy or eBay?
Yes, and for freelance work, websites like Upwork or Fiverr are very famous.
Upwork and Fiverr. I will remember those names.
They are very safe because they protect the worker and the buyer.
That makes me feel much better. Safety is very important when you are online.
It is the most important thing. Now, let us talk about one more way to make money.
What is it?
It is called affiliate marketing.
That sounds difficult. Is it hard to explain?
I can make it simple. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product to a friend.
Okay, like if I tell you I like my new shoes?
Yes, but online you use a special link. If someone clicks your link and buys the shoes, the company gives you a small commission.
A commission? That means a small amount of money?
Yes. For example, if the shoes cost $50, the company might give you $5.
I see. So if many people buy the shoes using my link, I make money.
Exactly. If 20 people buy the shoes, you make $100.
And I don't even have to sell the shoes myself. I just talk about them.
Yes, you just share your honest opinion about products you like.
That sounds like a very natural way to make money.
It is. Many people do this on their blogs or YouTube channels.
So, we have talked about many ways today.
Yes, we have. Let us recap what we learned.
That is a great idea. Let's do a recap for our listeners.
First, we talked about freelance work, writing, data entry, and design.
Second, we talked about online teaching, teaching languages or other skills.
Third, we talked about selling products online, like handmade jewelry or dropshipping.
Fourth, we talked about being a virtual assistant and helping businesses.
And fifth, we talked about affiliate marketing by sharing links to products.
Those are 5 great ways to make $100 a day online.
It takes time to start, but if you practice your English and learn these skills, you can do it.
Why do you think learning English helps people make money online?
Because the internet is global. Most people on the internet use English to communicate.
So, if you know English, you can have customers from all over the world.
Yes, you can have a customer in America, a supplier in China, and you can live in Brazil.
That is the power of the internet and the English language.
It truly is. It opens many doors for everyone.
I feel very motivated now, Mr. Only. I hope our listeners feel motivated too.
I hope so too. Remember, everyone starts at the beginning.
That is true. Even the people making $1,000 a day started with zero.
Exactly. They started by learning and by trying.
Start by learning and trying. Let us repeat that sentence.
Start by learning and trying.
Start by learning and trying.
You are doing a great job, Sarah. Your English is so clear.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I try my best for our students.
And our students are doing a great job by listening to us today.
Yes, listening is the first step to speaking well.
Well said. Should we tell our listeners what to do next?
Yes, if you are listening, try to write down one way you want to try to make money online.
That is a good homework task. Write it down in English.
Yes, write it in English to practice your writing.
For example, I want to be an online teacher.
Or, I want to sell my art online.
Those are perfect sentences.
We're almost at the end of our lesson for today.
Time flies when we're having a good conversation.
It really does. Thank you for all the great information, Mr. Only.
You are very welcome, Sarah. It was a pleasure to be here.
I think our listeners learned a lot of new words today.
I hope they did. Words like freelance, dropshipping, and commission.
Let us say them one more time, very slowly. Freelance.
Freelance.
Drop shipping.
Drop shipping.
Commission.
Commission.
Great! Now our listeners can use these words when they talk about business.
That is right. They are becoming professional English speakers.
Thank you for listening to Only English Conversations.
Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.